Good morning, student. Hope you all are fine. Okay, had your breakfast? Yes. Okay. So today we'll discuss about function of management. Okay. I think you already came about management and administration. These are the two words. Okay, it looks like same, but the meaning is little bit different. Okay. Administration is the policy maker, protocol maker of our organization, and management is the implementing that protocol and that policies. Okay, so there are different level of management, top level management, middle level management, lower level management. So top level management generally we are considering as a administration, and middle level and lower level is management. Okay, these are the different levels, so I think you will come to know all these things. Then evolution of management. Okay, these are some approach of evolution of management. I think in the previous unit you already came to know regarding all this. Management process. Yes, this is about little about management process. For management process we need human resource, we need financial resource, we need material resource. So this is called resources. Okay, resources, manpower, money, material. 3M is calling known as a resources. After these resources we will go to the function, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, along with budgeting. Then with this we will achieve the goal, we will achieve the outcome of the service, we will achieve the result of our work. That is the management process, function of management. Mark Taylor, okay, Taylor is actually known as like father of management. He listed down the 14 principle of management. He is giving the function of management. So function of management in the abbreviation form it is like POSCOR. I think you heard about POSCOR. Okay, so P stand for planning, O stand for organizing, S POS, okay, S stand for staffing, D POSCOR, D stand for directing or leading, CO stand for coordinating or controlling. Okay, R is recording, and last B is your budgeting. So planning means what to do, where to do, who will do, how to do. This is a blueprint of any work or any project. Planning cycle, planning process, regarding these two things already you I think came to know in your previous unit. So here we will see what is planning. Planning is like planning out of a work. If you in your home also, if you are going to do any function, how to do, that is a planning. Expenditure, that is budgeting. Okay, like that type. So let's see planning, what to achieve, where we are we now, okay, how to achieve, okay, what do we need to achieve, that is a goal setting, okay, by when do we need to achieve, that is a time frame. Within this time we have to achieve the goal, we have to achieve the set objectives. Okay, so you can see in the slide, goals, plans, strategy, resources, time frame. Okay, time frame. Organizing, in the organizing you see in this slide. Okay, sources allocating, arranging. Okay, sources allocating, again resources, activities, authorities, these are the sources. Okay, then cost effective, efficient, competitive. Yes, cost effective, it should be cost effective. Cost effective, I think it is not a new term for you people. Nowadays it is very common word in every work. Cost effective, it should be cost effective, it should not be so much costly. Okay, with the cost effective only we have to give the quality work. And after organizing all these things together, always our motto is to achievement of the goal, achievement of the objective which is set before starting the works. Then staffing, the slide showing the staffing. Staff means the members who is going to perform your service, perform your work. Staffing, already I said in my last class in the delegation that part, when we are delegating some work, when we are selecting some staff, always we should select them with their knowledge, with their skill, with their experience, okay, with their designation, not like designation, their qualification. Okay, qualification is, if your vacancy is for account department, so we need a BCom people, like that type. That is the qualification. Okay, then only they can help us in our account system, like the staffing. Having a quality workforce that helps achieve organizational yes, the staffing should be always the quality one, skilled one. Then only we can achieve the goal within the set time frame. Staffing. See how to do staffing. Staffing, it is not like that. Staffing is giving an advertisement in a newspaper. People will come to you. You will take interview. No, it is not. Okay, it is not. So first, fill the job vacancy right match. Yes, matching the job demand with applicant knowledge, skill and attitude. Nothing to explain here. From the lines only you are understanding. Then employee orientation. Yes, this is the induction class, orientation program. Every organization nowadays we are doing this one. Though it is like corporate sector, it is, there should be a time frame that for 15 days induction class, for 1 week your orientation program, like that. Okay, then there in the induction period or orientation program, we will give them about their responsibility. We will talk them about their responsibility. We will talk about our hospital policies. We will talk about protocols. We will talk about their benefits. All these different type of policies they have to know, employee orientation, and the area, infrastructure, everything. Then the organizational chart of the organization, all these things we have to give them oriented. Then training, if they need training for that particular job, we should give them training. It is not like only in some, we can go for in service training also in between. Then retention policy, yes, retention policy, we can do retention of the employee by giving them motivation, by giving them promotion. All these different type of retention policies are there. Reward system, appreciation, these all are for retention. Then job rotation, yes, job enlargement, job enlistment. These are like, suppose you are for long time, you are in a hospital setting, if I am saying you are for long time in the ICU stuff, so now we can send to you for another area. That is the enlargement, job enlargement, we can give some another responsibility. So you are already like a staff nurse, so I can promoted you like a shift in charge. This is type of enlargement, enlistment with them, so that they can motivate and they will retain in their particular job, which will help our organization to achieve their goal. Because every time the employee will change or the people will change, it will hamper the organization. Performance appraisal, reward, recognition. Yes, don't think only reward is only monetary. Yes, recognition in a group, in a meeting is very important. Always try to recognize the person who is behind the work. Reward them by a giving gift, by a giving like a flower vase. Don't think only the monetary. Generally we always used to think about the monetary reward. It is not like that. Then directing is leading. Yes, for directing somebody we need these things: effective qualification, clear work procedure, communication. You understood work procedure, after what we have to do what, responsibility, dividing the responsibility. You will be responsible for this, you will be responsible for this, like that. Delegation, already in my last class details I explained about delegation. Empowerment, already I said, only giving responsibility is not the giving the quality output. We have to give them empower, we have to make them empowered, so that they can take some decision if your leader is not there. Empowerment is that one, giving power, okay, giving power to the employee. Then function of management, another function is controlling. Yes, cost, behavior, discipline, phase of work, time wasters. Yes, cost, always we have to be very concerned about cost. We should not unnecessarily wastage the papers, we should not unnecessarily wastage other things like different materials. Okay, in the hospital setting, if I am seeing the papers, even the dressing things, okay, we should not waste. Okay, always we have to think about cost. We have to control in the cost also. Unnecessarily the organization should not do the expenditure, okay, so that they may have the problem. Behavioral discipline, yes, we have to control our discipline, we have to control our behavior, we have to be disciplined. Behavioral control, if we have anxiety, we have anger, short anger, like that type behavior, we have to control our all these things. Then phases of work, yes, different phases of work, already I say. Then time waster, yes, we should not waste out. And then these are again some managerial roles, okay, like interpersonal, information, this, and then okay, like this type. Thank you.